Alright guys, this is the introduction to the Kingsman airsoft team. And it's my first video on YouTube, so hopefully we can get this picked up. I figured I'd debut it out with a $50 mystery box from Fox Airsoft. Big shout out to those guys. This is my first box from them. I've got some gear, soldier, prior service kind of guy, so figured it'd be something cool to jump into. I'm currently at work right now at the radio station, so uh, forgive me for that. I will have to do some things in between this unboxing because I do enjoy my job and want to keep it. But I have plenty of time in between songs and stuff that I can uh, do stuff. I put videos out on Facebook for Bo on the radio regularly, but was wanting to expand and work for myself, truth be told. So logically, the internet was the next best way to go. So we're going to jump right into this unboxing. Feel free to like and subscribe. Building a team, it's going to be cool. So we're just going to move the camera and get started. This knife right here is pretty cool. I did a shout out for a fellow on the radio down in Florida. I'm up in North Carolina, and custom did this knife for me. I know that's probably backwards for y'all, but it's Operation Iraqi Freedom. He did it up pretty good. I love it. It's a great piece. All right, get into the box. Now, see, when I picked this up, it was light. I don't know. It's my first mystery box, so I was holding it. I was like, man, that's $50, man. Let's see. No, no kind of notes or nothing. I left them a note. They let you leave some comments. You can even request stuff. I just told them that I was a soldier. I got a bunch of my tack gear from the service that I'm using for this, and that I was just new into airsoft. So getting right into it, there's a pistol, but we'll come back to that in a minute. This is a Condor Thermo Neck Gator Tan. That's even better than the ones they gave us in the Army. Alright, cool. Retails at $10. Ooh, cool little American flag skull. That's pretty awesome. I want to go ahead and open that up and show you guys. That's pretty cool. My first patch right there for airsoft. Sick. Got the Velcro. Something I see that they do. They generally put these in every box. I'm sorry, that retailed at $8. But they put these in just about every one that I've seen. I said watch videos. I picked Fox Airsoft because they listen to their people. So, big supporter of Fox Airsoft. Nice 550 cord bracelet with quick release snap. Now these are the two, seems like the money makers. All right, this is looks to be a laser sight of quality, like that. Like I said, I'm a soldier. Let me check the song real quick. Sorry. Anyway, so as a soldier, that's quality. That's a quality piece of equipment right there. Like that's awesome. With rail mount, bet you it'll mount up to this pistol. So let's pull that out and see what's up. This is the most capable airsoft pistol in its class, it says. It retails at 40 bucks. The Defender Lancer Tactical, which is funny because the rifle I ordered was Lancer as well. So it's got good weight. Let's just get into it. Miscellaneous screwdriver. I wonder where that goes. I'll probably do this. Probably thought I heard another one there. Oh, dude, that's got bright green reticles. Pretty cool. Good weight. Blowback. Drop mag. I will have to get some CO2 cartridges, it looks like. And that looks like that just goes in. That'll open up. Maybe you can drop the mag out for that. We'll sit here and figure it out together, guys. Instead, I'm just at the station. Yep. You gotta drop the mag. And then that opens up. And that's where your canister goes. Fire. That is a nice piece of equipment right there. I definitely look forward to trying that. I'll be going to get me some decking CO2 tanks for sure. So let's go ahead and rig it up with this. First, I'm gonna go ahead and rock this gear they gave me. See, I got this cool hat. We're gonna go ahead and put that cool patch on this cool hat somewhere. In just a minute. Big shout out to Fox Airsoft. Like, I love it. You guys did good. Thanks for listening to my thing. What's cool is I was looking for a good sidearm. I got a rifle. I got my sniper rifle. I get the thing to snap. There we go. All right. Now let's see if we can rig this up on the pistol. Battery, screwdriver, Allen key. I like watching other people's videos, but you don't really see them ever get into it, like, I don't know. I figure, if you're gonna watch me unbox it, you might as well, enjoy me putting it together. I'll be there. And I'll be there. I can hold on to the screwdriver. You got to understand, I injured my arm, the middle finger don't work. Lost that tendon user. probably put the batteries in before I do that, right? That's quality gear right there. That's all metal housing. That's quality gear right there. Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all see how bright that is or not. Yeah, that's still cool. I think you can even zero it. It's like this. Might have some adjustments for it, so you can zero it to your pistol. But it's close range weapon, so this we want to put in. I'm a left-handed shooter, so it's a little different for me. I'll be there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And it came with BBs, of course. So there's that all hooked up. This little strap goes on there to hold your button down in place wherever you'd like to put it. Just goes around it. Also place your cord through. You obviously don't want to put it around the top, especially with a blowback. If you didn't have blowback, you could easily put it up there and strap around it, but that's not realistic by no means. So we're just going to you can run your cord through it as well, but I don't want it there. I want it right there about where my left thumb's going to be. So that way when I'm shooting, it's right there. Quick, right on the thumb, right where you're going to hold your shit. All right. Oh, thumb music. Oh yeah, little Dave Matthews there. All right, so cool. Yay, yay, Fox Airsoft. Give you a breakdown in the manual and everything. Oh man, they even give you a blowout so you can do maintenance and whatnot. I got a lot to learn about airsoft weaponry. I was a armor in the Army for a little bit. Worked on a lot of the Haji's guns, AKs and stuff, but that's super cool. Yay, Fox Airsoft. So let's do like everybody does in their videos and lay my stuff out, what I got. And I mean, no, it wasn't a lot. I've seen some of the $50 boxes just come out with some all sorts of stuff, but these guys sent nice stuff. That's